Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the chart is still perfectly fine. In fact, let me squeeze this down. You can see that still very much so in the overall uptrend, but in the near term here, a rough day as a key level of support was broken below, and then after it broke, the bleeding just continued to continue. And that key level is right here at that green line at 184.50. And this is where the first update comes into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 184.50 is now going to be that key area of resistance. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line up there. Yes, that level still pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines of where you're looking. That level's not really too relevant right now. But the point here being right now is if the price does continue to consolidate sideways and then makes another attempt back to the upside, the big question mark now becomes, can any sort of movement back to the upside, can it have enough strength to actually get up above and stay up above the 184.50 mark? I mean, you can see right here, the price immediately after dropping below, try to get up above that level, but I mean, that's just technical analysis to a T right there. You could throw that right into a textbook. Classic example of that support then acting as resistance. So again, I'm not saying that the price can never, ever get back above 184.50. I'm just saying that's going to be a very important level where if the price does work its way up to that area, that'll be the big question mark of, can the price actually break up above it and stay above it? Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, if the price does continue to pull back, next level of support to watch very closely now going to be at the 179 mark. And then if 179 can't quite hold up, next key overarching level of support at that point would then be down there right around the 174 mark. So 179 going to be a level that I'm very curious about. But if the price can work its way back upwards, there's going to be a bunch of breakout players watching 184.50. But yeah, these are definitely going to be the key levels to watch moving forward. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.